Okay, I want that. No, next. What? Oh, that, definitely that. Next. 1 week later.
TEMU? I didn't order anything from TEMU. Did you? Did you order from TEMU?
Wait, is that the thing with the feathers? I love the feathers. Feathers. Oh, feathers. Give me the feathers. Wait. Feathers. Feathers. I love the feathers. Thank you. Oh, feathers.
Aggressive interactive cat toy? Huh.
2 seconds later. Woo, that's an aggressive laser. Woo. Wow, that thing is moving crazy
Aggressive
fast.
so going to
Whoa.
try that later?
Whoa.
Toy?
Super aggressive. I'm glad I got the super aggressive one. Whoa.
Oh, what else is in here? Oh, another cat toy. Very colorful. It has eyeballs? Oh, it has eyeballs. What else? Oh. Squish, squish. Very pink. Oh, you want to smell it? No, you can't have it. What else is in here? Did you order yourself some shades? These are so cute.
What are you doing? Why are you holding my face like that? My friends are gonna see this video. Back off.
He looks handsome.
Okay. You gotta let me go. I don't like it.
We're definitely trying these on later. Athena, be nice. I'm gonna get you. Why do you get all the gifts? Ugh! Ooh, do I get to try them on? But they're not fitting.
Why is she holding me up like this? I just had
He's
those
wearing
glasses
those
on a
again?
little bit ago, didn't I? Oh,
What else
is
did
in
he
here?
get for
I
himself?
know I ordered more. I know it.
Is that
Wait, that's not what I ordered. Why do you keep
bear
saying
shirt?
bear?
Oh my goodness.
This shirt is blue. Oh, I don't know. Athena, what do you think?
Blue. It's gonna look great.
Oh,
I
why
guess.
does she keep saying bear? What
I'm
else is in there?
getting
I know I
bored.
ordered some better stuff. Oh, show me. Hurry.
Oh my
Hurry.
goodness.
Nah,
That is
like
not a bear
this.
shirt. Oh,
Can
wait,
I?
wait,
Bear
back off.
overalls.
Back off. I can't see.
That's so cute.
Oh. It's bear overalls.
It's not as
You got
interesting.
I don't think I
this.
ordered that.
It may fit you
But I
now.
think you should wear
Hey,
it.
don't move. Why
Let's
is she
just
holding me?
try.
This is not interesting.
This bear shirt.
What is going on? Wait,
What's in the back? Ooh,
they
I
can't
want
see
that.
my face.
What else is in here? Oh, a new collar. Fancy. Oh, is this a cat toy? Oh, it feels gross. Ugh.
What is this? It smells great. What do you do? Hey. Whoa, what is this?
Ew, it feels so gross. It's making a rattling sound. No. What else is in here? Oh my god, it's 70s shade styled glasses. And with the hue. Look at them. So cool.
Hey, wow, everything looks kind of blurry through here. Wait, I don't know if I feel so well. Don't jiggle me. Wait, hey.
What else is in here? Oh, it's big. Is this a sweater for Stitch? That's so sweet. What else? Oh, that's it. Bye. I don't know what you think you're doing. Don't do it. That's mine. Mine. I want it.